Let's go. Outfit check. Outfit check. So we're on our favorite train station, which is Tianjin Station, and finally gumagalaw na yung escalator. Gumagalaw na. Pwede na siya kasi. Ang init. Finally, ayan na. Okay, good. Akala ko nandito na 1 minute pa ang ating lalakarin. Diretso pa daw. So we're here. We keep the lakad-lakad and then we'll get in there. Malapit kami sa river. And look at this. And then after this, we will go to the Basilica, the first Catholic cathedral here actually in Kaohsiung. Sorry, sarado kasi siya ngayon. Hindi namin maano, but this is the old wall here in Fengshan. Sorry. So this is the old wall. Mga meron, madami nga. Oh, there. Kaso it is under construction. They are renovating the area of this old wall. Okay, so bumalik na kami. And this is the art center.
Lang talaga kami.
Yeah. Nagpapatan lang kami lalo. Ganun. So, nagbabas na naman kami.
Na-video na kita habang order ka.
Oh, okay. Good. You're so good. She learned her
Kasi may picture
lesson.
lang ka dapat yung menu. And then yung kape.
May ano sila
Mahiya
dito?
naman ako.
May
Excuse.
book sila doon sa gilid. Dito na siguro na
Can we read that?
bakit? Magbabasa ba natin yun?
Ha?
Magbabasa ba natin yun?
Malay mo naman.
Malay mo, English pala yun.
I try. I try. You try. Video talaga yun.